In the last 30 days, this YouTube channel has generated between $600 to $10,000. They did this without showing anyone's face. They just talked about beautiful places in the world. That's why in this video, I'm going to make a whole faceless YouTube channel by using free AI tools and show you how you can make $350 a day. So, let's get started. First, you need to think of what your YouTube channel will be about. You can get ideas by asking Google Bard to give you a list of different topics or niches you could make your channel about. For example, you can ask it, I would like you to list the top 30 YouTube niches. For each niche, please also provide 2 examples of video ideas. It will provide you with a variety of ideas, including examples of the types of content you can create. From the list Bard gives you, pick one topic that you like. In the video, we will make a channel about travel, but you can choose any topic you like. To create my channel, first I need to go to YouTube. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign in. If you don't have one or just don't want to have this channel under your account, you'll need to create a new one. Once you're signed in, look for an option to create a new channel, or sometimes it's just Show YouTube Studio. This is usually found in your account settings or under your profile icon. Then follow the steps YouTube provides to set up your new channel. And that's it. I've now set up my very own YouTube channel. The next steps will involve personalizing it and starting to create content. To find a good name for your channel, I'll use Google Bard. Just ask it to give you some ideas for channel names. For example, you can write, act as a creative director and give me 50 YouTube channel name ideas for my YouTube channel. And here you can add your chosen channel niche. You just need to replace your chosen niche with the niche you've chosen. In my case, it will be travel. Look at the list of names Bard gives you and pick the one you like the most. I think Travel Addict sounds good. I'll choose it as my channel's name. Once you've logged into YouTube and created your channel, navigate to the channel customization settings. This is where you can start personalizing your channel. In the customization settings, look for the basic info section where you can add your channel's description. Now, to create a description for your channel, you can use Google Bard as well. Simply ask Bard to write a description that fits your channel's name and content. For example, you can write a description for my travel YouTube channel named Travel Addict. Once you have the description from Bard, go back to your channel's customization settings on YouTube. Paste the text you got from Bard there and click Publish. The next step is to make a YouTube banner with Canva. First, go to the Canva website. Once you're there, look for creating a YouTube banner. Now this is how I can make my banner look nice. I can add things like pictures, shapes, or words that match what my channel is about, or just try to look for a template as I did. This template has a short text below the name, and I like it. I'll use Bard again to help me with it. Now I'll just add it to my banner. When your banner is ready, save it to your computer. Make sure you save it as a PNG file. This is a type of file that looks good on YouTube. Now let's make a logo for my channel. I can do this on Canva too. Search for YouTube channel logo. There you will a new AI tool that turns words into pictures. It's called Magic Media. Just tell it what you want your logo to be about, and it will create some logo ideas for you. Choose one of the logo ideas and make any changes you want. You can change colors, add new things, or move stuff around. When it looks just right, save this logo as a PNG file too, just like you did with the banner. And that's it. I've got a great banner and logo for my YouTube channel. These will help my channel look really professional and interesting to people who visit it. Let's upload them. Go to the Branding tab under the Customization page and just upload your logo and banner, hit Publish, and you are done. When I'm done with that, I'll click on View Channel to see how the channel looks. I have to admit, this channel looks pretty good.
Wow! Beautiful!
Now, when the channel is ready, I need to generate the first video. But before that, I need to know what video I would like to create. I will head over to Bard and ask it to come up with these ideas. You can type a request like, give me 20 video ideas for a YouTube travel channel. Once Bard provides you with a list, look through it to find a topic that stands out to you. For instance, you might see an idea like, the best neighborhoods to stay in. I think it's good, but it can be even better if I tweak it to make it more interesting. For example, I can change it to 10 best neighborhoods to stay in Europe, which gives it a more targeted and interesting angle for our audience. Now that I have my video idea, the next step is to create a script for my video. I will use Bard again for this task. Go to Bard and give it specific instructions for your script. You might say, write a 300-word script about the 10 best neighborhoods to stay in Europe. Make it easy to understand and provide a brief overview of each neighborhood. Once Bard provides you with a draft, read through it carefully. Make sure it flows well and includes all the key points you want to cover in your video. Feel free to make any adjustments or add personal touches to make the script sound more like you. Now, we have the idea of the video and also the script of the video. We can go to Pictory to create the video. If you're new to Pictory, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account or any other email address. After logging in, you'll see various options for creating AI-generated videos. Since you have a script ready, choose the Script to Video option and click Proceed. Go back to your script, copy it, then return to Pictory. Paste the script into Pictory. After pasting the script, click Proceed. Choose a template from the options provided and select the aspect ratio for your video. For YouTube, we will need 16:9 ratio. Pictory will analyze your script and start creating visuals for your video. This might take a little time. Once done, Pictory presents the video in storyboard mode. On the left, you'll see your script, and on the right, the visual preview of each part of the script. Note that if you see watermarks on the preview, don't worry, they won't be in the final video. Know that Pictory selects visuals based on keywords in your script, but sometimes they might not match perfectly. To customize, I will start with the first scene. Since the footage doesn't fit, I'll change it. Click on the Visuals tab to browse and select more suitable stock footage. Repeat this process for each scene, ensuring the visuals align with your video's content. To add background music, click on the Audio tab to choose from over 15,000 royalty-free background music tracks. I'll choose this one. With Pictory, I can also add voiceovers, including ones that turn text into speech. There are different kinds of English voiceovers you can choose from. If you want, you can record your own voiceover, but what I'm going to show you will save you tons of time. And here's a great update. Pictory now includes voices from 11 labs, giving you even more high-quality voiceover options to make your videos sound amazing. You can also pick the kind of voice you want by filtering them based on their accent, age, and what you're using them for. But since these specific choices are part of the premium options, I'll choose a great free one, Belinda. Once your background music and voiceover are set, start adding headings for each location featured in your video. Find the scene where you want to add a heading, then click on the Text tab. Choose Add a Heading, then copy and paste the name of the place along with its number. Customize the heading size, position, and color. Add an animation for extra engagement. Repeat this process for each place featured in your video. Now let's finally add transitions between scenes. Click on the transition icon. Select a transition style for your scenes. After choosing, click on the transitions icon again and select Apply to Entire Video to add the transition between all scenes. And the editing phase is done. Once editing is complete, click on the Download button to export your video. It might take a little time for the video to be ready. When it's done, click Download again to save the video to your device. My video is now ready. After creating my video, the next step is to upload it to my new YouTube channel. And I'm done. I hope you got tons of value from this video. If you're excited to try Pictory for free, just click the link in the description below. Now, you might be wondering about my claim that you can make $350 a day with this channel. Well, let me explain. The example video I made was about traveling to Europe. Did you know videos about travel can earn from $20 to $40 for every 1,000 views they get? Using Pictory, it's super easy to make videos, so you could easily make 3 videos a week or even more. To make $350 a day with a $40 rate per 1,000 views, you need to get around 8,750 views a day. That sounds like a lot, but it's doable. For example, topics like travel, Paris, or Amsterdam get over 500,000 searches on VidIQ. That's a lot of potential viewers. Are you thinking about making lots of videos every day with Pictory? Let me know in the comments. Let's chat about it. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2024 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching.